I am Muhammad Rahman. My group mate is D. Pawan Kalyan. Our project is image analysis using cognitive services in Azure. In this project, we are going to implement the cognitive services which are provided in the Azure Cloud portal. The main objective of this project is analyzing the image and gets the information from the provided image. To achieve this, we use Computer Vision API. The Computer Vision API provides algorithms to process images and return insights. It also has other features like estimating dominant and ascent colors, categorizing the content of images, and describing an image with complete English sentences. Additionally, it can also intelligently generate images thumbnails for displaying large image efficiently. The Computer Vision API to analyze images for insights, extract text from images, and generate high quality thumbnails and get the relevant information from the image that is provided. And also there are other API for image analysis to detect the face expression of a person in the given image. For this we use expression API and we use face API to detect the face of a person. These keys are provided for free of cost. In this module we will explore the features offered by this API and call it to process some images. Microsoft Cognitive Services is a set of machine learning algorithms available as a service for anyone to use. Instead of building the intelligence for our apps from scratch, we can use these services for vision, speech, language, knowledge, and search. Once we have our account successfully created, we can retrieve the subscription keys or access keys for this account. We have used Azure Sandbox, which is used only for the educational purpose to create cognitive services. Literature review. In this review, we have taken 4 papers, research papers. In the first paper, the aim of this paper is to build system for human detection based on facial recognition. The state-of-the-art face recognition algorithms obtain high recognition rates based on demanding costs, computational energy and memory. The use of these classical algorithms on an embedded system cannot achieve such performances due to existing constraints. And second paper, this paper brings to light an important discussion on how to create better assistive technologies for visually impaired people with the new advances in the computer vision field. Until very recently, assistive technology solution required large and expensive hardware as well as complex software. And in the third paper, Windows Azure is the Microsoft's conveyed registration contraption. This paper we will learn about the prelude to the Azure framework. And in the fourth paper, biometric systems enable people to distinguish between physical and behavioral characteristics. Face recognition systems, a type of biometric systems, use people's face features to recognize them.
I am Pawan Kalyan and my part of the project is to create APIs in the Azure platform. And Azure gives us this is a sandbox environment in which we can create some API resources provided by the Azure which is for free. We need to enter into the sandbox environment and now we can see there are various services provided by the Azure. We will select educational and we will see some services which are provided by them. We can create many services based on the different categories like analytics, blockchain, database and AI plus machine learning. In this project we are going to create a service on AI and machine learning. We have several services like Vision API and we can create a service called custom vision which will take in images as an input and process them and classifies the image. Now we will go with the face API and this is the face API. We need to click the create button here and we can enter the name as we want. I will be entering cloud project and then the subscription is given already and the sandbox server creates server as a US server, and now I can add the resource group. Now click. By this, our face API is created. Using this face API, we can estimate the person's age, and we can also determine whether the person is male or female according to their facial expression. And the result of the face API would be like this, predicting the gender, age, and also detecting the faces correctly. Thank you.